Hi, I was so motivated to do the training today. I've had the lovely experience of working with an EFT practitioner who has changed my life, and she's been my inspiration to actually take this on and know that I can help other people as well as helping myself. So I'm just so excited to start this journey. So one of my concerns about doing the training was I now know one of my core belief issues was that I'm not good enough. I may be judged. What if? There was a lot of what ifs, shoulds, buts, but there was a passion that I felt I really wanted to do this, and actually putting myself on this course was addressing one of those beliefs. So to be able to work through that and get to that point and actually have the faith and the courage to step through and work through those. But yeah, I'm not good enough was one for me that I've had for a long time. And I can't believe that as a result of being here, that I haven't got that belief anymore. I am good enough. If you're thinking of coming on this training course to become an EFT practitioner, take away, start even tapping on yourself. What's holding you back? Because it has changed my life in this short time, making that decision to train with Tamara and Pete. And thanks to Linda, it is awe-inspiring. You get so much support and that feeling of safety with working with others, and the material that you use, you get time to practice. And most importantly, you're not judged. Mistakes are welcomed. It's how we learn. And that was one of my core beliefs, is you cannot make a mistake because you might be looked at to be stupid. None of that. It's absolutely a beautiful developmental experience, even if you're looking at it for yourself and not to become a practitioner. Come along, because when you see the magic happen, and I'm saying magic because it really is, then it's going to it may inspire you to become a practitioner. I mean, I cannot wait to start my case studies, to actually try this, and I'm going to do it from a space of intuition. And it's okay as you go along if you make a mistake, because those mistakes help us to grow, and that's what I've learned.